Oh look, another motorcyclist. Notice me. Oh, he's exiting. Oh, you know what? Let's change the plans. Hello everyone, I'm back. So today I want to talk about a subject I've been hearing a lot about, directly from Kawasaki. Now, some of you may know this already and some of you may not know. For those of you who don't know, Kawasaki is planning by 2035 to do all electric bikes, basically. All their motorcycles are going to be electric. Why, you may ask? Well, there's actually a reason for this. Because ever since, I guess ever since the H2, you know, been in production for so long, they're like, well, we want to steer towards to a different type of power, basically. That's what they say. I'm not sure exactly why, though, but that's what I'm assuming, you know. Like, they put a supercharger on a fucking H2 and everything and all that, and they made the H2R. And so they want to, you know, develop more into electric bikes. Because I'm not sure exactly why, though. That's the thing. I know they said that they wanted to, like I said before, you know, go to a different route of different power, you know. So they want to do electrical, which is kind of weird, but I was like, oh, okay, whatever, you know. Let's see how that goes. And a lot of people don't like that. Well, here's the thing, you know, for a lot of people. You know, a lot more companies are going with electrical now. Well, starting to. And they're starting to get really popular. Like those Priuses, for example. Sadly. Those are really popular. Yeah, I'm freezing. And I need to pee. So those Priuses are getting really popular as well. You know, and even other electric motorcycles as well is getting popular. Like those zero bikes, those are getting popular. The only bike I have not seen that's been so popular is Harley's electric bike. I forgot what it's called already. But they want like $50,000, and I don't think really anybody's gonna buy it. I've seen some in person, but I've never seen one. I've never seen someone riding on one before. Who like actually owns it. I mean, I guess it is a Harley thing to do, you know. But, anyways, you kind of get my point. Even for those who don't know, Polaris as well, where with their Ranger, they're trying to do an electric Ranger actually that apparently came out, but I'm not sure what happened with it. I was kind of like waiting for it to hit the showroom floors, but I guess it just never did. I don't know. They said they were coming out with it, but yeah, who knows. Probably need to read up on that and see how that's going for them. But yeah. Oh, sorry. For those of you who don't know what Polaris is, they also own Indian as well. But for the Polaris brand itself, they mostly do side-by-sides and those slingshots, those three-wheel cars you mostly see around. That's what I meant. That's Polaris right there. So it's very interestingly why they wanted to go with an electric Ranger. Well, I guess it makes sense because like those Rangers, you know, a lot of people use them for hunting. And so, and of course having an actual motor with pistons or combustion engine, there we go. You know, it makes a lot of noises in there. They might scare up the animals or deer or whatever the bloody hell you're hunting on. Just put an electric motor on that, it's gonna be nice and quiet. And I've seen some videos of it too before as well, and that thing, and they haul ass. Like, I'm not kidding, they really do haul ass a lot. I was like, god damn, I feel like racers are gonna just get the Rangers to swap those out instead. That's what I feel like is going to happen. But I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, so slowly but surely, you know, everybody else is going to transition over from combustion engines to electric motors. Like in California, you know, they want to start banning, well, I know they say that, and I'm not sure how's that going right now, because I know they mentioned it before, like they want to start, you know, banning, you know, combustion engine and make them electrical. Well, because it's California, just like how they want to make their own country. I was like, I'll be happy with that, honestly. No offense. Anyway, so, but yeah, that's really the only thing. Because the thing is that most people are not going with, come on, dude. Literally, like, I saw that too. You took your foot off the brakes and then put it right back on. Why? So yeah, but right now, electric vehicles are not at its pipe, you know, at its complete peak as well. You know, there's a lot of development that needs to be done and everything, and it takes a lot of time. For example, you know, new technology is being evolved, and a lot of engineering needs to be done to it too as well. Engineer is also very important compared to with technology. You want proof? Well, for example, like the Chevy and Ford. You know how Chevy put up this 1,000 horsepower, what was it, 572, or it was a 572 cubic inch? I don't remember. It was 32 VX, something, I don't know, something like that. And then Ford also put out their, you know, supercharged motor, which also makes 1,000 horsepower. However, from what I know from Chevy, is that it's naturally aspirated, and that can run on pumped gas. That takes some engineering to do, especially something that doesn't have a forced induction or anything like that, and it runs on pumped gas. Yeah, that takes engineering. So you kind of get what I'm saying. For those of you who already know what I'm talking about, then yeah, you really get the point really easily. But for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, just look it up. I don't know how to explain it better. But yeah, back with electric vehicles. Now, I feel like it's going to be the same with a lot of other brands too. You know, with Yamaha, Suzuki, who else? Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, maybe even European bikes too. Who knows? Maybe not European bikes. I don't know. I really don't know. You know, it's just one of those things that we just gotta wait and see how things go from that point, really. But other than that, that's really about it. So I'm kind of excited to see what's going on happen in 2035. If they say they're going to do that, maybe, maybe not, who knows? Who really knows, really? Because some people are like, alright, we're going to plan to do this in the future, and then they never do. Or maybe they do, but then they come out with a complete disaster. So, we'll see. We'll see what really happens. You're going like 35 in a 45 zone, dude. Including that bloody Furious. Okay, cool. Just brake check me. That's nice. Yeah, you just literally just brake check me for no fucking reason. That's nice of you.